Good morning, my friends. This is Ari again. This time we got 2006 Nissan Sentra with engine 1.0 liter, 4 cylinders. We replaced the alternator. I want to show you this engine. In this place, they got a power steam pump. Okay, so the power steam pump is the belt is in the first time. If you replace the alternator and not replace the belt, you don't need to take the power steam belt. But if you replace alternator and belt or just alternator, we don't need to take off the power steam belt. Okay, we started remove the alternator. Well, we take the ground bolt. They got one brace on the top side of the alternator. We use it to socket the 14 millimeters. We disconnect the battery first, and then we continue disconnected the power line on the alternator. Okay. Beside the power line is the plug. Okay, we stick it and pull it out. Okay, we out the connectors, the bracket and the cables from the alternator. Okay, for take the belt, they got tension here, and you see it being under the alternator. Okay, this tension here, they got bolt. Okay, we use the socket number 14 and the ratchet for loose the bolt on the belt tensioner. We don't need it to take all the bolt out. It's just to loosen a couple threads, and then we use the tool number 14 millimeters for loosen the bolt under the alternator. Okay, we continue. Okay, and we gotta lose the tension here, and then we can pull it the belt. In this case, we remove the belt. We replace the alternator, so we take the belt off and keep in the place. Okay, the next step is loose a couple bolts they got underneath the alternator. We use the 14 millimeters ratchet wrench. Okay, for taking out. We got one bolt on the. Okay, the bolt in the back, we gotta loose with the 14 millimeters ratchet wrench. Okay, you've seen it. Okay, and then we use my hand for take out the bolt. Okay, exactly fitting in this place. Important thing is the motor be cold because it's the exhaust pipe. If the motor is hot, be careful. Don't do it like that. Put the extra gloves. Okay, take the bolt out. Okay, this is in the back size. For the front size, we are using the 14 millimeters socket and ratchet. We are doing the same thing. We use that tool for loose the bolt. Okay. Okay, we'll loose it. Okay, in this place we don't have any space for using any electric power tool for loose it. So just a ratchet and the socket and bolt. Okay, and we take the tool, then we use the hand for remove the bolts for the place. Okay, good, got it. Okay, now the alternator is ready to pull out. Just a shake it, a couple things. Okay, and then pull it out. Okay, this is the alternator. Exactly that is set that the room for pull out the alternator. Exactly. We don't need to remove it too much. Just the temperature sensor plow. Okay. This is the tensioner. Okay, I want to show you the long bolt. We use it to set up the tool for loosen the tensioner. Okay. This is the room exactly. Okay. This is one alternator for Nissan Sentra 2006. I'm ready right now and go buy a new one. This is what I want to show you how is for take off the alternator in 2006 Nissan Sentra. They got 3 bolts, 2 in the bottom, 1 in each side, 1 in the top. Okay, my friend, appreciate it for watching my videos, and you share this video for your friends and put a like it. Okay, this alternator. I want to show you all the corners, the alternator for which if you want to use this video for buy the alternator, you know exactly what is